So Julie, so where are we going tonight? Huh? No, it's not. It's on video.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know where we're going.
You don't know where we're going? We're going to Irish pub, right?
Two fools. Yeah.
Two Fools?
Two fools?
What do you have to say? Huh?
Yeah.
James, how you doing, man?
I'm good, man.
You want to say something?
I'm good,
You want to say something?
No.
Why not?
Hi.
Are you going to put it on YouTube, Josh?
Maybe.
Where is it?
Shuggy.
Hi. It's a video.
Where is it?
No.
Eddie. Eddie. Eddie, no. No. Dad. How you doing? What do you have to say?
Go Lobos.
Oh, Lobos, what else? Huh?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving? Oh, dementia's really kicking in.
Is this your phone?
What? Yeah, it is. Thank you. Thank you, honey. Am I getting messages? Nope. Bless you. Say something to the camera.
No, don't take a picture.
I'm not taking a picture. Say something.
Hi.
Hi. Shuggy. Shuggy. Show you Gailey. Hey Gailey. How you doing?
So can we go?
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, we'll probably be down there. Yeah. We're looking at it.
This is Gailey.
What are you doing?
Making a video. Put it on the internet.
They draw against lousy teams too. They draw against lousy teams. And it's not just students, it's a lot of regular adults.
So they can get Lobos game on TV. Billa. Billa. Billa.
Hi, Bella.
Billa.
You don't look like a Bella.
You want me to go with her? She knows where it is. Yeah.
Bella.
Will you go with Sammy and show her? Is that cool?
Okay, Jimmy, they'll go in my car and
Got it right here.
There's a dog.
okay, well you guys better head on and try to get over there.
Alright, Cindy. We'll see you later.
Where's your jacket, Jeff? Is that it?
Yeah, it's over here.
Yeah, you should put that
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, you're welcome.